Good morning, Internet. Welcome to an adventure. Today, special guest day. Yeah, we got someone new coming to ride with us. Circle K 1145. And he's there. My man. There he is, there he is, there he is. Good to see you, sir.
How's it going?
Nico, you've been on the channel before, but I don't think you've ever been on the channel as a YouTuber. Welcome to the pool, son.
Yeah, thanks, man.
You know what this channel's about. You've been watching it for years.
Yeah.
I tasked you with today's destination. You know the things that we like. What are we getting today?
We're going to Pizza Port.
Pizza
San
Port.
Clemente.
I've heard of that place. Is that the only one, San Clemente?
No, there's a couple down in San Diego.
San
but
Diego.
The only one that's closest to us is in San Clemente.
Why Pizza Port? I mean, is it like thin crust? Is it thick? New York, Chicago, Detroit? What is it?
I would say it's a mix between thin crust and thick crust. It's not too thick.
So like a normal pizza is what you're saying?
Pizza.
Typical.
Yeah. The sauce there,
Is it a sweet sauce?
I'd say it's pretty sweet, yeah.
Sweet sauce. Sweet sauce, regular style pizza. I think that's a fine idea.
Right on.
The only thing I really want to do today, I got to go see Bob. I got some stickers I got to give to the dude.
See him. I haven't seen him in a minute.
My mirror's broke. So let me tell you a little bit about Nico. I've known Nico for years, many years, a lot of years in fact. To be honest, when I first met Nico, I don't even think he was riding motorcycles. Anyway, over the years, we became friends, and he became kind of a fan of motovlogs. So it's pretty cool to see him finally jump in and start a vlog of his own. I asked him what the nature of his channel was going to be. He said it's going to be motorcycle related, but destination based. He wants to go and visit different cities and hit up local hotspots and such. So it might have some of the same flavor this channel has, but with his own little twist. Well, I'm thinking about Henry Haddad, long-time channel supporter. I think we've been working together going on 5 years. And out of all the lawyers I met, he's one of the good ones, man. He's always on our side. Good dude, man. Good dude. Anyway, he's got an Instagram page going. Do me a favor, go over to his page. Let him know we all love and appreciate him. He puts the blood in this channel. He really does, man. He makes it happen for us all. Go over there, show him some of the same support that he showed us. While we're on the Henry topic, I was talking to him about some of the calls he gets from you guys. He wanted me to remind you guys that just because you don't have your motorcycle license or insurance and you get smashed into by a car that was completely not your fault and you face some injuries, you're still entitled to some compensation. So don't worry. I know a lot of you guys out there riding without your endorsement or a license. Doesn't matter. Something happens to you, you can still seek compensation, man. Just reach out to Henry, man. He's there for you, I promise. And Henry, we trust. And Henry, if you're watching this video, just want you to know we all love you. Thanks for the continued support, buddy. Let's do lunch soon. Should we pull out the cam and give it to Nico? See what he gets us? Hello. We've come for Bob. Bobby, what do we got? Nothing. Nothing. All right. Thank you. All right, we got some stuff. Bob, came through after all, buddy. Let's open this dude first. Sub D. It's a note. Hey, Sub D. came by and checked on Bob. I've been coming around here for 4 years looking for you. I've met Gina here a few times. I'm here Saturdays at noon. Parker. Well, thank you, Parker. This is from Mondi. Subby, here's a little something to show my love. Oh, dang. Look at that. Nico, look what we have. We got a fresh 20.
Oh, 20 doll hairs.
Yeah, buddy. That's pizza money. Thanks, Mondi. I really appreciate that. And Bob, I got some stuff for you. Don't worry, buddy. We're going to give you this key tag. Right here. Put one there for you. Put one in there. Let's put one under the cock. Thanks for the note and the money. You guys are the best, man. I love coming to see Bob. I haven't eaten yet, so if I drink a Red Bull, I'll get really, really shaky. That could be interesting. Let's do that.
Good old root beer.
What do you got? Is that Frosty?
Frosty.
Frosty root beer? I like San Clemente. I like pizza too. Can't wait to stop and eat some pizza. That's us right there, Pizza Port. All right, Nico, Pizza Port San Clemente. Out of all the pizza places, this is your favorite pizza spot on earth.
Favorite.
What makes it your favorite?
The beach, and it's good. They got good dough and good sauce.
I assume that probably the culture around the place is a big selling point. Yeah, I mean, you're right next to the beach. When COVID's all finished up, I bet this place is just going off the rails.
It's gonna be popping.
I mean, it wasn't the best pizza I ever had. It wasn't the worst. Somewhere in the middle. Would I be back? Wouldn't be back for the pizza, but I'd be back for the nightlife, and I'd get the pizza.
Yeah.
Not only is it a pizza spot, but it's a brewery. I saw the kegs.
Yep. Everything brewed in-house.
Right on. If you're in the area, I definitely encourage you to come out, check out Pizza Port. Again, I think the nightlife here would be amazing, especially once COVID's all said and done. And also, don't forget, get on Henry Haddad's Instagram, man. Give that dude a follow. You never know what kind of advice that guy's going to give you.